Hello, my Kandor Crafters. If you're new here, welcome. If you are loyal, welcome back. This video right here is for my small business owners, yes ma'am. Or even if you're thinking about opening a small business. I'm going to show you how to brand your packaging. This works for poly mailers, bubble mailers, boxes. If it's mailable, it's brandable, okay? So since I'm doing two different designs and one is a 2-color design, I'm just putting all of my vinyl on one sheet. Time is money, honey. I created my logos in Canva. They're already sized and uploaded into Cricut Design Space. But did y'all peep? What is the Cricut Zeus? This is very much new. They just dropped two new cutting machines, and I'm just like, Cricut, y'all got enough money for me. I don't think I'm quite ready for yet another machine. Anywho, make sure when you're working with cursive letters, like script letters, that you weld your letters together, because I'm gonna show you why in just a second, why you have to weld your letters together. You don't have to weld your plain ones, like the Kandor. I don't have to weld those together because the letters aren't touching each other, but you do have to attach them. If you don't attach them, your letters won't be in order, which doesn't make sense to me because I feel like if I type them together, then they should automatically stay together. But yeah, they don't. So make sure you attach your letters that are not script and then weld your letters that are script. If you've been thinking about getting a Cricut, this is your sign. I love this machine. God forbid my house ever burnt down. This is one of the things that I'm definitely trying to save. And this, my friends, is why it is very important to weld your script letters together, because the Cricut will cut out your letters one by one, like individually. And you want your letters to be one cohesive word. When removing your vinyl from your mat, it's vital to peel the mat away from the vinyl versus peeling your vinyl off of the mat, because you want your vinyl piece to be as flat as possible. That helps with the transfer tape. And now I'm just cutting off the excess vinyl because we don't waste over here. And I'm just going to weed out my letters. Please don't forget to weed out the negative spaces, like in between the O's and the R's and the A. Like, nothing drives me more crazy than people not weeding out their letters properly. Plus, it just makes your branding look much more professional. So after the weeding is all finished, it's time to use your transfer tape to transfer your logo over to whatever it is that you're branding. Make sure to use your scraper tool and if you have a brayer, I use a brayer, but the scraper tool is what really helps the vinyl to adhere to both the transfer tape and to whatever you're applying the vinyl to. Align your logo and just get to scraping. Make sure that each and every letter has been smoothed over, and slowly peel your transfer tape off. Now, sometimes the letters are stubborn and they'll still be stuck onto the transfer tape. Sometimes you just have to try it from different angles. I don't know why, but it helps. I love this logo. I love how it came out. It looks so good with the pink poly mailer. It gives me very minimalist, but still sleek and stylish. I love it. For the second logo, sis is definitely my fave, but she has to do double steps. So I put down my name first, Kandor. That was in matte black, and I could use the regular transfer tape for that part. Now for the customs part, since that is glitter vinyl, I had to use the strong grip tape, and I'm not gonna hold y'all, I definitely was a bit nervous because the strong grip tape, I thought it was gonna take my name off. So I was just praying. I was like, oh my goodness, I'm gonna be so upset if the Kandor part comes off, but it didn't. And it came out so freaking cute. I'm so proud. This is definitely my fave. Sis did not come to play. Sis came to slay, okay? Like I said, if it's then it's lean, then it's say nah. If it's mailable, it's brandable, baby, okay? If you like this video, go ahead, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and turn on my post notifications so you will know every time I post. There will definitely be some more small business projects in the future. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, my Kandor Crafters.